Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this jar, very simple and basic jar. I'm going to model it and then texture it in Blender. Very simple and basic jar for beginners, who are beginners. So let's start. Hello friends, so this is our thumbnail render. This is our final render. So this is our thumbnail render right here. So this is the model. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.